See, now you're breaking up. I cannot hear you. What?
Don't you care?
I don't know. Unfortunate technical difficulty. Boring conversation anyway.
Aha! Another group of flight candidates. Welcome, my friends. Welcome, welcome. What a fine-looking group of flight professionals. You remind me of me, but without the bounty on your heads. Recognize a few of you. You've flown for me before. I can't believe you made it back. It's good you made it back. Good for you. Hondo, what are the engines? We'll talk later.
I have to do everything around.
Yeah. No, they have the same color, so we're the same friends. Yeah, we're orange.
A brand new flight crew. Good luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly out. And push forward to fly down. Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the boosters.
Hit the blue, Brady, hit the blue.
Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed. Those heavy dies are protecting the train. Take them out. They've locked onto us. Take evasive action. Gunners, we need to defend ourselves. Open fire. Gunners, blast away. Blast. There it is. After that train. Right, engineers. Fire the harpoon. Excellent. Now, gunners, shoot the cargo free. Pilot, brakes. Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Cover up the ship. Well, I have the coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Come on, let's get another container of coaxium. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Shoot the train. Engineers, reel us closer. Yes, keep bashing those controls. Oh, so close. Keep reeling. Cargo's breaking, shooting. Now, so close. Gunship. Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. We've got to get out of here. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry. It's coming down.
Turn that way.
Left pilot, hit the boosters. Boost. Look, we didn't run time. Let's get out of here. Your highway drivers failed. Pilots, evasive maneuvers. We've We've got company. Chewie's right. We cannot let them follow us back to the resistance. You did it. Watch out!
Brandon, we keep crashing, Brandon.
Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remotely. You retrieved one container of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud.
So you will be dealt with. You will be crushed just like your allies.